Meet this Raspberry Pi Spider, a robot that's as awesome as it sounds. Powered by a Raspberry Pi, this four-legged beast is built for serious fun and serious engineering. Under the hood, it's running a full Linux system. Python scripts control the servos, and Wi-Fi lets me command it from anywhere. Thanks to 12 smart servos, every movement is smooth and freakishly lifelike. It's got gait algorithms that mimic real spiders. Kinda creepy, kinda awesome? Control it from your phone, laptop, or a custom controller. Or just let it run autonomous mode and watch it explore. This thing isn't just about crawling around. It's a perfect project to dive into Python programming, robotics, and computer vision. If you're into DIY tech and not afraid of a few wobbly legs at first, a spider like this might just be your next obsession. Subscribe if you want to see me upgrade this monster with AI, sensors, and who knows what else. This is just the beginning.